Western Governors University was founded a little over 20 years ago by the governors of 19 Western states to transform higher education. It's an entirely online university that's really focused on competency-based education and changing the lives of students and their families through that education. Because students are at the center of everything we do as a university, anytime they reach out to us, we want that to be an authentic interaction. We want them to sense how much we value their experience, how much we care about their education and what they're trying to accomplish in their lives. We started several years ago with what eventually became an old, an aging, and expensive on-premise solution. We then moved to Genesys Pure Connect in order to upgrade, and then just recently have switched to Pure Cloud so that we could become more mobile and more flexible.
Cloud-based solution for WGU is part of an overarching journey that we're on as a university. We're trying to get out of servers altogether. In terms of transitioning from a legacy system, moving to Genesys, we found that it improved a lot of operational efficiencies.
When you select a partner, it's important to look at the features they have now, but it's also really important to see where they're going and what their vision is. And so before we bought into any feature set with Pure Cloud and with Genesys, we really bought into the vision first and the track record and the approach that they'd shown us in the past.
Another aspect of migrating over to Genesys was that we freed these users from hardware constraints such as a hardwired VPN that they no longer had to use, and that was a great success for them.
One of the great benefits has been for our remote employees, and the majority of our workforce is remote. With Pure Cloud, we're able to take advantage of audio technology that really increases the quality of the calls. You don't have to downsample to a small bit rate. The Salesforce integration we have is important to us because a lot of our academic experience is built on top of the Salesforce CRM. That's where our faculty spend a lot of their time and other support staff. By using the Salesforce integration, those faculty have access to all the phone controls, all the contact center controls without having to switch screens. Both Genesys and Salesforce have a lot of flexibility and you can do a lot with them, especially because the Genesys APIs are public and the documentation is so thorough. You're able to build experiences that are very flexible between the two systems when you look at that documentation. Plus, you can tap into Genesys professional services. One of our key contact centers saw an immediate improvement when they started using the workforce optimization tools as well as skills-based routing. Their service level increased 20% overnight.
In regards to the customer experience, the one thing that having Genesys did is it basically got out of the way. It took the technology out of the way and allowed my agents and my supervisors to do what they do best, and that's to work with people.
As customers interacting with a contact center, we're used to having to answer the question, who do you want to talk to? Or who do you want to help you right now? We're changing that at WGU so that we can start to ask the question, what help do you need? And then we'll use the intelligent platform to route students and staff to the person that's best suited to help them.